My cousin's Mehendi today, so get ready with me. We do not have much time to get ready, but we're gonna make it work. Finally going with our sunscreen. And then I usually don't do this, but I'm gonna put the foundation on my face. Use a smaller brush to blend our concealer. Just gonna blend my foundation a little bit because I'm afraid it's gonna drip. I'm gonna go over and blend everything together. We were gonna dance and then we decided we're not gonna dance, but now we are dancing. We were just practicing for that. Weddings are so fun. This wedding season is going to be crazy. This is actually the first wedding of the season. Then we're gonna go in with our Rare Beauty liquid blush and put a dot there and one there. This is also so pigmented, I love it. Today there's gonna be a lot of sweating happening because of the dances. So we need to make sure we are in place. I think the hardest thing about adulting and weddings is that it's so hard to get time off. Because when you become adults, you can't just pick up and go, you know? I go in with the Armani blush. If you guys know me, you guys know this is one of my favorite blushes. I'm going in with the Urban Decay Naked Heat Palette. And I have like golds, like my outfit's right there, but you can't really see it. But it's like, it has gold. So I'm just gonna go in with this right here. And then see if that works. Wow, it's so pigmented. And then I've been loving this shimmer stick. It's so convenient for everything. I just put it on top and it elevates the look so much. Look at that. Wow. I'm gonna blend out this part here. Just go like that. Oh, and then also another thing I do with this is I put it here as highlight on both sides. And then I blend it out again. So now you have highlight as well. So when you're dancing on that dance floor, you are just glistening. Okay, I'm also gonna take this same palette and get this color here, this darkish one. Well, very dark. I'm just gonna have a little bit of an eyeliner moment. It's like a little more purple, but... And then I'm gonna also put that on my bottom line. Then I'm gonna tight line with this brown eyeliner. Okay, so I curled my lashes. I dropped my little magnetic lash concoction. I'm gonna put on these lashes. I had to do my lashes off camera because they're so easy to do. It's just I have to be looking directly in a mirror. So these are the lashes. Eyebrows. Time for some lippy. Ugh, I love the brown. That's what they said.
We're 4 minutes away, so.
We're not 4 minutes away.
Yes, we are.
How
far are we?
25.
From the event?
From the venue.
Are we going downtown?
I don't know where it is. The most important part. Oh shoot, there's biryani here.
Yeah, let's not spray that.
Mm-hmm.